Let's do LeetCode 917 reverse only letters with 2 pointers. In JavaScript, this wants us to just reverse any letters inside of the string. If it's not a letter, it stays the same. So like this number wouldn't move, these dashes wouldn't move. All right. So I did it with 2 pointers. So we'll start out with splitting this input. So we're going to use split. There we go. Okay, then we need our pointers. So let I and so we'll create the pointers here. String.length -1. So this is the pointer at the front of this input string, and this is the pointer at the back of the input string, or here could be the D as well. Okay, and then we'll just paste that out. Then here are the letters that we're going to check against. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have a while loop, and while the pointers in here have not come together, so we're going to walk through the input on the left side this way, and we're going to walk through the input on this side this way, looking for letters to swap. When we find the letters, we swap them. Okay, so the while loop there. We're going to make some temp variables here to use in our swap. So we'll create those, and then we're going to check with an if else if and an else. So here's our checking logic. So if the letter's not included, if it's not a letter, let's type this out, string I. So if it's not a letter, we're just continue. We don't do anything except go to the next letter. So excuse me. Say we were here, not a letter, we just go to the next one. Okay, else if, same thing, and that's includes, not included. And the same thing for the other pointer. So when we're walking backwards in here, checking against the letters, so then we can do the J minus minus, walk backwards that way. Otherwise, we do the actual swap. So we want to set the current pointer, wherever we are inside the string, to the temp character from the other side. And then we need to do the same thing there. So when we swap these, we also need to remember to continue walking through the input. And then at the end, since this will run until we've swapped everything, all we need to do is just return the string and join it, and oops, nope, that's right. So let's let's run this, make sure I didn't put any typos in here. Yep, okay. So then the other thing we can do here is we can console log if you wanted to see the details of this actually working. So we can let's grab left character. And let's grab right character. Right, so if we run this now, so you can see in this input here, left character is A, right character is D, left character is B, right character is C. So walking through there, and then if you wanted to see this getting reassigned right here, throwing some consoles there as well. Anyways, I will delete these, clean this up, give this a submission. We're all set. That's that problem.